Have you ever been to the forest or to the beach? Our planet Earth is full of beautiful landscapes, but today we will be focusing on bodies of water and how they are affected by plastic waste. We find plastic in many products we use every day: water bottles, cleaning supplies, straws, and shopping bags are only some examples. Plastic pollution happens when we litter on our beaches, streets, or even when we throw plastic in the trash can. When we throw trash away, we may think it's gone forever, but the garbage truck actually takes it to a landfill. On the way to a landfill, wind or rain may carry pieces of plastic into a nearby body of water. When plastic reaches our oceans, not only does it make our Earth look less beautiful, but it can also hurt sea animals and even birds who may confuse straws, bags, or other tiny pieces of plastic for food. Now, here is the question: what can we do to reduce plastic waste from harming our oceans? Remember these 3 words: reduce, reuse, recycle. Reducing means trying our best to not create plastic waste. Reusing means we can use items like reusable water bottles, metal straws, and grocery bags. And if we still use some plastic, we should recycle it properly. If we go to the beach, let's remember to clean up after ourselves so we can keep the beaches beautiful, the oceans plastic free, and our animals safe. And now for our activity, let's go outside. Grab a rock that looks smooth and flat, and let's paint our favorite natural landscape, how we would love to see it, clean and beautiful. What will you paint? Share with us your rock art through our email or Facebook Messenger. See you next time!